Physics, Semester 5, Paper number 13A, Solid State Physics, Unit 1st, Crystal Structure. Hello student, welcome to all of you. In previous period, we had learned point group and space group. What is meant by point group and space group? In this period, we have to take some revision on the last period. The point group of such a symmetry operation at a point is called the point group, and definition of space group is the group of all the symmetry element of a crystal structure is called space group. There are 5 type of lattice, Bravais lattice. First of all, we can define the Bravais lattice. The lattice consistent with the point group operation are limited. Such a lattice are called Bravais lattice. In this period, we have to take some type of lattice. There are two type of two-dimensional lattice and three-dimensional lattice. The 4 crystal system of two-dimensional space are oblique, rectangular, square and hexagonal. The rectangular crystal system has 2 Bravais lattice, namely rectangular primitive and rectangular centered. Three-dimensional lattice. All the 7 crystal systems of three-dimensional space and the corresponding Bravais lattice we have to study in last period. But in this period, we have learned about simple crystal structure. There are 2 type of simple crystal structure. First is we shall now describe some of the basic crystal structure which are either monoatomic or contains simple bases. There are 2 type of simple crystal system. First is closed packed structure and second is loose packed structure. There are 2 type of closed packed structure. First, hexagonal closed packed structure, SCP structure, and second, face centered cubic, FCC structure. After that, we have to discuss on the loose packed structure. There are 2 type of loose packed structure. First is body centered cubic structure, BCC, and second is simple cubic structure, SC. Let us discuss on details closed packed structure. We have to study on crystal structure. First is closed packed structure. The basic crystal structure which are either monoatomic or contain simple bases includes closed packed structure like hexagonal closed packed or face centered cubic structure and loose packed structure like body centered cubic, simple cubic structure. The closed packed structure are mostly found in monoatomic crystals having non-directional bonding such as metallic bonding. This structure having a coordination number of each atom is 12. That is, each atom is surrounded by 12 similar and equal sized number. Out of these 12 neighbors, 6 lies in one plane, 3 are in adjacent parallel plane above this plane, and three are similar plane below it. First of all, we can discuss on hexagonal closed packed structure, SCP structure. Consider a layer of simple atom. In figure first A, consider a layer of similar atoms with each atom surrounded by 6 atoms in one plane as shown in figure A. Another similar layer B can be placed on top of layer A such that the atom of layer B occur the alternate falle formed by the atom of layer A. If third similar layer is placed on top of the B layer in such a way that the atoms of B layer exactly overlap the atom of A layer, and this type of stacking is repeated successively, the following layered arrangement is obtained. AB, AB, AB dash dash. This type of stacking is called SCP stacking, and the structure is also called hexagonal closed packed structure. The name corresponds to the shape of the conventional unit cell, which is hexagonal as shown in figure second B. There are 12 atoms located at the corners, 2 at the center of the basal plane and 3 completely inside the hexagon, forming a part of B layer. The effective number of atoms in a unit cell is 12 in bracket 1 by 6 bracket close plus 2 in bracket 1 by 2 bracket close plus 3, that equal to 6. The effective number of atoms in a unit cell is 6. The interatomic distance for the atom within a layer is A. The distance between the two adjacent layers is C by 2, where C being the height of unit cell for an ideal SCP structure, that is C is equal to 1.633A. It may be noted that although the structure is SCP, the space lattice is simple hexagonal with bases consisting of 2 atoms placed in such way that if one atom lies at the origin, the other atom lies at the point 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 bracket close full stop. The shaded portion is primitive shell of this structure. It contains 2 atoms instead of 1, which is due to the presence of the bases. The volume of primitive shell is exactly 1/3 of the volume of hexagonal shell. What is meant by the packing fraction? The definition of packing fraction is it is defined as the ratio of volume occupied by the action of the atoms present in a unit cell to the total volume of the unit cell. This is the definition of packing fraction. It is also referred to as the packing factor or packing efficiency of the unit cell. From the primitive shell, we can find the packing fraction. We have F is equal to 2 in bracket 4 by 3 bracket close by pi r cube divided by a into a sin 60 degree into C, where R is the atomic radius. Using this formula, substitute the values of C is equal to 1.633A and A is equal to 2R. We get, substitute all that value in equation first. F is equal to, we get, calculating, we get F is equal to 0.74. Thus, in an ideal SCP structure, 70% of the total volume is occupied by the atoms. For example, the example of hexagonal is metals like magnesium, zinc, cadmium, titanium, etc. exhibit this type of structure. What is the summary of that hexagonal closed packed structure? The first point, there are some very important point on the hexagonal closed packed structure. First point is, it is the primitive unit cell. First point is the primitive unit cell. Second point is the arrangement, layer arrangement is obtained, that is equal to dash dash AB, AB, AB dash dash. This type of stacking is called SCP stacking, and the structure is called hexagonal closed packed structure. This is the second important point in this article. The third point is the effective number of atoms in a unit cell is 6. Fourth point is the coordination number of each atom is 12. This is the fourth point. And fifth point is the packing fraction. By using the formula, we can find the packing fraction is 0.74. This is the packing fraction. Fifth point is example of that hexagonal closed packed structure is Mg, Zn, Cd, Ti exhibit this type of structure, and summary of that hexagonal packed structure is ideal SCP structure. 70% of the total volume is occupied by the atom. This is the summary of hexagonal closed packed structure. The second point of closed packed structure is face-centered cubic structure. Face-centered cubic structure. In this structure, the stacking of first two layers is similar to that of a hexagonal closed packed structure. The difference arises in third layer, which does not overlap the first layer. The conventional unit cell is face-centered cubic, as shown in figure. The example of that face-centered cubic structure material having copper Cu, Ag, aluminum Al, Au, etc. The packing fraction is given by F is equal to 4 in bracket 4 by 3 bracket close pi r cube divided by a cube, that equal to 0.74. This is the packing fraction. But by using the figure, in this structure, the stacking of the first two layers A and B is similar to that of SCP structure. The third layer is designated by the letter C. The fourth layer is exactly overlap the first layer, and the sequence is repeated. Thus, FCC structure is represented by the following stacking sequence: dash dash ABC, ABC, ABC dash dash. This is the stacking sequence of face-centered cubic structure. The conventional unit shell is face-centered cubic as shown in figure. It is a non-primitive shell having effective number of atoms equal to 8 in bracket 1 by 8 plus 6 in bracket 1 by 2 that equal to 4. This is the effective number of the atom. The atom touch one another. The atom touch one another along the face diagonal. The length of the cube edge A and atomic radius small r are related to each other. 4r is equal to square root of 2 into A. The packing fraction F is given by the formula. F is equal to 4 in bracket 4 by 3 bracket close pi r cube divided by A cube, that gives rise to 0.74. Thus the packing fraction of face-centered cubic structure is exactly same as that of hexagonal closed packed structure, which is expected because of the closed packed nature of both the structure. The coordination number of each atom is 12. The example of material having this type of structure are copper, aluminum, Au, Ag, etc. These are the example of face-centered cubic structure. What is the summary of or very important point for face-centered cubic structure? The first point in face-centered cubic structure is it is a non-primitive unit shell. This is the very important point. Second point is the stacking sequence is dash dash ABC, ABC, ABC dash dash. These are the stacking sequence of the face-centered cubic structure. Third point is the effective number of atom equal to 4. The coordination number is, fourth point is coordination number is 12. The packing fraction, fifth point is F is equal to 0.74. And last, the example of the face-centered cubic structure is copper, aluminum, Ag, Au, etc. This is the very important point in case of face-centered cubic structure. What is the difference between the face-centered cubic structure and closed packed structure, hexagonal closed packed structure? First point is difference of hexagonal closed packed structure and face-centered cubic structure is, in case of hexagonal, it is a primitive unit shell, and in face-centered cubic structure it is non-primitive unit shell. This is the first point. Second point is coordination number is same for hexagonal closed packed structure and face-centered cubic structure is 12. The third point is it is the coordination number or effective number of atom in hexagonal closed packed structure is 6, and face-centered cubic structure the effective number is 4. The packing fraction in case of hexagonal closed packed structure is same 0.74. It is similar to face-centered cubic structure. The example of hexagonal packed structure is zinc, manganese, Cd, Ti, and in case of face-centered cubic structure example is copper, aluminum, Ag, Au. This is the main difference between face-centered cubic structure and hexagonal closed packed structure. We can study or discuss the second part, loose packed structure. We discuss on loose packed structure. A loose packed structure is that in which the coordination number of an atom is less than 12 or the packing fraction is less than 0.74. The most common and simplest form of loose packed structure are the body centered cubic BCC and simple cubic structure SC. There are two types of loose packed structure. First is body centered cubic structure BCC and second is simple cubic structure SC. First of all, we take body centered cubic structure. The body centered cubic structure, the conventional unit cell of BCC structure is non-primitive, which is shown in figure. It has cubical shape with atoms located at the corners and the body center. The example of BCC structure are sodium, potassium, MO, W, etc. The packing fraction is given by F is equal to 2 in bracket 4 by 3 bracket close pi r cube divided by a cube, that gives rise to 0.68. This is the packing fraction of body centered cubic structure. The example of materials exhibit BCC structures are sodium Na, potassium K, MO and W, etc. The second part is the simple cubic structure. The simple cubic structure, the conventional unit cell of SC structures is same as its primitive, which is shown in figure. The atoms are located at the corners only and touch one another along the cube edges. Only polonium exhibit this type of structure at room temperature. The packing fraction is given by F is equal to 1 in bracket 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube, that gives rise to 0.52. This is the packing fraction of simple cubic structure. What is the main difference of body centered cubic structure and simple cubic structure? The first point is difference of these two is, it is in case of body centered cubic structure, it is a non-primitive unit cell. In case of simple cubic structure, it is a primitive unit cell. This is the main difference of body centered cubic and simple cubic structure. Second difference is the packing fraction is in case of BCC F is equal to 0.68 and in simple cubic structure the packing fraction is 0.52. This is the main difference of body centered cubic structure and the simple cubic structure. The same point of that, the coordination number of atom is less than 12 in both the structure, and after that the coordination number of each atom is 8 of BCC structure and the coordination number of each atom in simple cubic structure is 6. Thus, SC structure we have A is equal to 2R and in BCC structure 4R is equal to root 3 into A. This is the main difference of body centered cubic structure and the simple cubic structure. Thanks very much for your good cooperations.